Puppy, what doing? What doing, bud? Are you wrestling around in the bed? Getting your scent all over everything? Your fur's all standing up on your head, buddy. Yeah? Yeah? Are you excited? Here. No, over here. Over here. Oh. Hup. Wait. There's Cody. Hi, Cody. Come on in, Cody. He's gonna come in here, huh? What thinking, Opie? Huh? What thinking, huh? You just want to play, huh? Get it. Get your paw. Oh, wait. Oh, now Cody wants to play. Oh my goodness. Two big dogs on the bed. Too crazy. Come on, Cody. Come on, Opie. Come on, guys. Come on. Good boys. Cody, what you got? Cody. You got the hedgehog? Can I have it? Can I have it? Oh. I can't have it. Oh. You want to take him outside? Okay, hold on. Cody, bring me the hedgehog. Can I have it? You got it? Cody, you gonna bring me hedgehog? Okay, I'm gonna get your hedgehog. I got him. Oh, I got him. Ready? Ready? You want the hedgehog? You want him? Okay, go get him, Cody. Zoom. Run fast. Opie, go get him. Opie, go get him. Zoom. Go get him, Opie. Go get Cody. Come here. Opie. Opie, you want to go get Cody's hedgehog? Did you throw it? Did you throw it? Let me see. Let me see. Get him. Get him, Cody. Get him. Ready? Tug. Tug, Cody. Tug. Pull. Pull, buddy. Pull. Good boy. Oh. Let me see. Oh, it's tearing. Ready? Oh, Opie, you want the hedgehog too? Yeah, you do, huh? Okay, let me see. Ready? Ready? Okay, drop it. Opie wants you to drop it. Get him, Opie, get him. Cody. Opie. Opie, go get the hedgehog. No? Cody, you got him? Oh, yeah, good boy. Good boy. Hey, Opie, do you hear birds? Do you hear birds? Opie, where's the birdie? I don't see no birds. Oh, I heard him. Where'd he go? He's over there. Birdie's over there. I hear him. Opie, where's the bird? He's up there in the house. He can see you. Can you see him, Opie? He's up there in the house. Way up there. The bird's yelling at you. He's way up there, Ope. Is that a robin? Yeah, that's a robin. He's got a beak full. They've been building nests in here. The robins and the blackbirds fighting over nests up here under our gazebo. See? Trying to build them. But one of them dropped an egg. And Opie ate it today. Poor birdie. Did you find another bird, Opie? Oh, there goes that robin. He's over on the fence. He moved down. Tell him to get out of your yard. No? He's right there. Oh, looks like Cody got the stuffing. Did you get the stuffing out of the hedgehog? You guys always pulled the squeakers out, huh? You got him out. Good boy. Good boy. I think Seth. Huh? What you doing, bud? What you doing? You want to see what everybody's doing out back? Okay, Seth, are you ready? Seth first, shake. No, give me your paw, shake. Good shake. Here we go. Good boy. Hope you want to come in and have a treat too? Okay, Cody, you ready for it? Cody, sit. Oh, wait for me. Shake. Good shake. Now Opie's turn. Opie. Opie, sit. Opie, shake. Oh, such good boys. Such good dogs.